from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Today we are in a special place and from my special outfit you will understand that we are at the seaside. We are in Cannes, the French Riviera, and so we are going to cook a French ketogenic dish. Let's go together. I will be at home when I will cook to my home kitchen, and then for the outro I will take you to the beach. So you will see the seaside, the sandy beach, and it's beautiful. I will do the outro there, not the intro, because you will hear the noise of the waves, but it's a beautiful noise. So let's cook and then let's go together to the beach. To prepare this delicious French sauce, you will need some saffron. I recommend you a little saffron because it has a strong taste. Then a garlic clove, 2 eggs, some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, salt, pepper, a good extra virgin olive oil, and French mustard. It is a strong ingredient, so be careful with the mustard too. After the recipe, I will bring you with me on the French Riviera at the beach, so it will be great, but just a quick peek to my beloved Bergamo. This is the city where I've lived and where my husband is actually living, so I love it really a lot, and it's a wonderful day, it's a sunny day, and you can see there is also a beautiful city. Maybe if you have seen other videos from me, you have also come with me, you came with me also to visit Bergamo, so you already know it's really wonderful. But now let's go on with the recipe and after to the French Riviera. Let's start preparing this sauce by melting the saffron in some hot water. This is an entire bag, 15 grams. Bags are very little because saffron is very expensive. But during the preparation, I noticed that the strong flavor was enough with half doses. So I didn't put all the saffron, but just 7 grams. And I highly recommend you to taste the sauce during the preparation, so you will know if it's perfect for you. Then it's time to separate the whites from the yolks. For this sauce we will use only the 2 yolks, but with the whites you can prepare a white omelette. Now we will use the 2 yolks and we will mix it with half lemon juice, salt and pepper, so it will have a lot of flavor, and to give it even more flavor we will put a mustard. I choose a French mustard because this is a French sauce and because it's the best in the world. I think they invented this cream and it's delicious. I like the one with seeds inside. Then something controversial in our family, the garlic. You've seen me using powdered garlic many times because some people in my family, they don't like pieces of garlic, even the smallest pieces. So I will cut it very thin and I will do my best because I still think that a garlic clove is always better than powdered garlic. But let's see if everybody will eat the sauce. And now some patience, because you need a lot of time to whip all these ingredients together and to add the last 2. In fact, we are missing the extra virgin olive oil and the saffron in water, but before putting them little by little, this is very important to create a creamy sauce, you should whip the other ingredients, the first one that we just put, very well. If you don't do that, this sauce will unwhip, and we don't want that, because if that happens, we will never save the sauce, it's useless. this is the place where I got the inspiration and the recipe for this sauce. When we were in Cannes, we had lunch on the beach, and in this restaurant we ordered fish, and they gave us the fish with this delicious sauce. So I asked the recipe and they told me. I highly recommend to eat it with fish because the combo is really unbelievable, truly amazing. It's like a mayonnaise but with the garlic and the saffron, and it tastes great, especially on the beach probably, but also at home. Look how creamy it is. French cuisine has so many sauces, so we can find a lot of inspirations for a ketogenic lifestyle. But I have to tell you that it's highly recommended to eat this sauce on the same day you prepare it, because it will taste better and it will be safer. And here we are at the seaside. As you can see, it's beautiful, and I just want to tell you to subscribe to my channel if you like the recipe, if you like the setting, because we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock with another ketogenic video. Sorry for the wind and for the waves, in English. And then we will meet always here, always at 2 o'clock Italian time, with the same video in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. See you soon! And this is the reason why we went to Cannes. We went on Wednesday and came back on Thursday, so it was a very quick trip, but my husband loves boats, so he wanted to go to the boats exposition, and I have to thank him for these videos, because while he was watching boats and catamarans and all his toys, I went to the beach. I don't know if you are like me, but when it's summertime, there is a beautiful sun and there is a sandy beach, I just stay there all day long. So I really enjoyed that little time I had in Cannes, because it was really beautiful. Have you haven't been there? Please let me know if you love it too, because it's a truly magic place. And people are nice, weather is incredible, especially for me that I live in Stockholm. There we already have heating, and here it's summertime, so it has been a really special place for me and for my husband. Also at night, during this boat exposition, there were so many people, so many parties, music, restaurants. Everything was very happy. And yes, it was a long trip, 5 hours by car from Bergamo, where we are in Italy. But totally worth it. So I hope to come back soon and to show you a little more of this beautiful city. It's the sunset, so it's time to go back to Bergamo, to Italy. It will be a long trip, as I told you, and we will arrive at night. But totally worth it, because we have incredible memories of this place and of this little time together.
I still think of you now, though my memory's turning bleak. I'm still walking this road, though my knees, they are ever so weak. I never thanked you for putting your faith on a bum like me, yeah. And wherever you are, I think it's here you were meant to be.